If you are looking for something simple yet delicious, then you've got to try this recipe. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Pan on medium-high heat along with 3 tablespoons of oil. And then butter. As I will be using minced chicken, I used butter because minced chicken is lean. But hey, if you have any concerns, then you can definitely leave out butter. Once the butter melts, add chopped onions along with a sprinkle of salt. Fry the onions on medium-high heat for 2 minutes. Then, today I am in a shortcut mood, so I added about a tablespoon of sugar so that the onions brown up faster. Fry the onions on medium heat till they start developing a golden brown color. And since I cheated a little today to speed up the browning of onions, it took me just 5 minutes to get this beautiful golden brown color. Next, the aromatics go in, a tablespoon each of finely grated garlic and ginger. Minced chicken goes in. Increase the heat of your stove to medium-high and spread out the meat so that it gets that maximum heat from the pan. I always mince chicken thighs in my food processor, and I love using chicken thighs because chicken breast tends to turn out very dry. Now guys, you can use any meat of your choice for this recipe. Now soon you will see the meat is turning white along the sides and the edges. Then you will know that it is getting well fried on the underside. Do not let it brown up too much, as then it will become tough. When you see those white edges showing up, start stirring the chicken. Stir it from time to time on high heat till all the moisture that comes out from the meat dries up. Okay guys, all the moisture has dried up and oil has been released. So now I will be adding the vegetables, potatoes and carrots. Spices go in, Kashmiri red chilli powder. You can substitute it with paprika or red chilli powder. Then a good amount of ground coriander. Stir the chicken and the vegetables on high heat for 5 minutes. Next, I love adding chicken bouillon cubes, but you do not have to. You can add chicken broth later instead of water, or just leave it out. But chicken bouillon brings in that added flavor. Add about a cup of canned crushed tomatoes, or half a cup of tomato puree along with salt. If you are using chicken bouillon, remember that it has added salt in it, so add less salt. Fry everything on medium-high heat for 5 minutes and then add about a cup and a half of hot water or chicken broth if not using chicken bouillon. Cover on for 12 to 15 minutes or until the potatoes and carrots turn tender. Okay, my friends, the vegetables have turned tender. Next, green peas enter the scene with all its green beauty, along with chopped coriander leaves. Let it simmer away uncovered on medium heat for about 2 minutes, and then garam masala powder goes in to perfume the dish, along with another touch of deliciousness. Guys, I love adding Mexican crema to this. You can use sour cream or half and half, or cooking cream or coconut milk, or nothing if you do not want any of these. After all, you are the boss of your kitchen, and I am here to just give you ideas. Stir everything on medium-low heat for 2 minutes, and more coriander leaves go in because you know my relationship with coriander leaves. Okay guys, you can have this with rice or roti or any type of bread, and you are going to love it. Please smash that like button for me. Bye bye.